Today we have to discuss about the factors that influence carbonyl stretching frequencies. We have discussed the conjugation effect and the ring size effect. Today alpha substitution effect and hydrogen bonding are the part of this session. Then first one is alpha substitution effect, which is also called field effect. When the carbon next to the carbonyl is substituted with a halogen atom or a chlorine atom, the carbonyl bond shifts to higher frequency. The minus I effect or electron withdrawing effect of chlorine removes the electron from the carbon of the carbonyl bond. This removal causes tightening of the pi bond, which increases the force constant and leads to an increase in the absorption frequency. This effect holds for all carbonyl compounds. That means if a halogen is attached to the neighboring carbon of the carbonyl carbon, the CC single bond weakens due to the electron abstraction by the halogen atom, electron withdrawing effect of the halogen. This halogen attracts the electron around this carbon atom. So consequently this carbon-carbon bond becomes weaker and this carbon gets positive center at this position. So the C double bond O becomes more stronger, or the tightening of the C double bond O, which causes increase in force constant and increase in group frequency. This is alpha haloketone. This alpha haloketone, this CC bond is freely rotated. So therefore two rotational isomers for this structure. In the first case, this chlorine is near to the carbonyl oxygen, and in this case chlorine is far away from the oxygen atom. This is the eclipsed form and this one is the staggered form. And in this case, eclipsed form, this chlorine is near to this oxygen atom, so there is some field effect. So due to this field effect, the carbonyl stretching frequency increases, and here the carbonyl stretching frequency decreases from this structure. But in this alpha haloketones, there are two which exhibit two carbonyl frequencies due to this two rotational isomers. This is the case of rigid molecule. Rigid molecules, the carbonyl group and the halogen atom is, in this case the neighboring halogen atom is axial chlorine, and here it is equatorial chlorine. Equatorial chlorine is more close to the carbonyl oxygen and axial chlorine is far away from the carbonyl oxygen. So the group frequency is less than that of equatorial chlorine. That is, in rigid molecules like this structure, the halogen atom in the equatorial orientation is near the carbonyl group, and the field effect causes an increase in the carbonyl stretching frequency. When chlorine atom is near the oxygen, its negative field repels the non-bonding electrons of oxygen atom. As a consequence, the force constant of C double bond O bond is increased and carbonyl stretching frequency, consequently carbonyl stretching frequency also increases. The fourth factor which influence the carbonyl stretching frequency is hydrogen bonding. We know that hydrogen bonding is, there are two types of hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Both hydrogen bonding causes the carbonyl stretching frequency, that is, the carbonyl stretching frequency is lowered due to hydrogen bonding if it is intramolecular or intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding example is methyl salicylate. In the case of methyl salicylate, this OH carbonyl stretching frequency decreases due to this hydrogen bonding. In the case of carboxylic acid dimer, there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the carbonyl frequency of this carboxylic acid decreases.